What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's me here. And today we're going to talk about something very interesting. Talk about all of the materials that are included in the Natural Healing Remedies Bootcamp. Talk about all of the materials that are included in the Natural Healing Remedies Bootcamp, which is now live. If you haven't seen it already, go to the link below in the description and check out this amazing course. In fact, I highly recommend you watch this entire video before you do anything else, because there is so much value in here. You don't want to miss it. I also have to let you know that for the first week only, we're offering a discount. So you can get into this program for less money if you enroll within the first week. After that, the price is going up. So again, go down below to the description, click that link, sign up. So what are the materials included with the Natural Healing Remedies Bootcamp? That is an excellent question. The first thing I want to point out is that we have over 37 hours of video training. Over 37 hours of video training from some of the most knowledgeable people in this space. People who have been doing this longer than most people have been alive. I mean, seriously, we have decades of experience in here between all of our instructors. So you're getting some of the best training available anywhere, period. In addition, we have weekly group coaching calls. So every single week you will have an opportunity to hop on a call with us. You'll be able to ask us questions. We'll be able to get feedback from us and really understand how to apply everything you're relearning. These calls alone are worth hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, so they're included with your enrollment. And this goes without saying. All of the recordings of those group coaching calls will be saved and stored in a private area of the Academy where you can listen to them at any time. Again, for those of you who make the live calls, or you just want to review the material, you can do that as well. In addition, we have a private Facebook group where you can connect with other students, get support, ask questions. You'll even have access to our team inside of Facebook. So if you have any questions, we're always in there answering questions. Other students are in there answering questions. It is a great community, a great place to connect with like-minded individuals who are serious about natural healing remedies. Now, here's one of the coolest things. This is a no-fluff kind of course. So we teach you everything we know. There is no fluff. There are no upsells. What you pay for the course is literally all that you get. But we've decided to include some extra bonuses with this course. So in addition to everything else I just mentioned, we're going to throw in 3 additional bonuses. First is our Introduction to Ayurveda webinar. Now this is a 90-minute training that I did with one of my mentors. This is one of the most knowledgeable people in Ayurveda that I know. He has studied with many different teachers from India. He's traveled to India multiple times to study Ayurveda. He is the real deal. And in this 90-minute training, we go deep into Ayurveda. We teach you about the doshas. We teach you about the gunas. We teach you how to assess someone's constitution. We teach you about the 6 tastes and how to use the 6 tastes to improve your health. We talk about detoxing your body. We talk about herbs and spices and so much more. It's an incredible training, and again, it's just a bonus. This is not part of the core curriculum. It's not part of the videos. It's just a gift to you to help you dive deeper into natural healing remedies. The second bonus that we're including is another one of my trainings. It's called Living Foods. It's an introduction to living foods. In this training, I teach you about fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. I teach you what makes a food a living food. I teach you about enzymes, I teach you about probiotics, I teach you about fermented foods, I teach you about sprouted foods. I teach you about the difference between a raw food and a cooked food and the benefits of each. It's a great introduction to this topic. Again, if you enroll in the Natural Healing Remedies Bootcamp, you get this as a free bonus included with your membership. And then the third bonus, and probably one of the most valuable bonuses, is my advanced nutrition training. This is an epic training. It is over 2 hours long. It's the most comprehensive overview of nutrition that I have ever found. I teach you about macronutrients versus micronutrients. I teach you about complete proteins, incomplete proteins. I teach you about amino acids. I teach you about vitamins and minerals. I teach you about trace minerals. I teach you about antioxidants. I teach you about phytochemicals. I teach you about omega fatty acids. I teach you about the different types of fats and oils and so much more. It is an incredible training. If you literally could take this training, give it to somebody and say, hey, study this and you will have a working knowledge of nutrition. It is so good. Again, it's an epic training, over 2 hours long, and it is included as a bonus with your enrollment. There's one more thing I want to tell you about. When you enroll in the Natural Healing Remedies Bootcamp, you get access to a private website. This website has everything. It has all of the links to the videos. It has the link to the Facebook group. It has the link to the Zoom calls. It has all of the bonus material. It has all of your logins. It has everything you need in one place. But in addition to that, it also has a resource library. This resource library includes things like handouts from each of the lessons, sample meal plans, grocery lists, videos, books, articles. It is an incredible resource library that you can use throughout your membership and beyond. So the Natural Healing Remedies Bootcamp is truly a no-fluff kind of course. You get exactly what you pay for, and then some. So again, if you're looking for the most comprehensive, the highest quality training on natural healing remedies, look no further. Enroll right now. Sign up. And hey, if you're watching this video, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know why you're interested in natural healing remedies. What do you want to improve with natural healing remedies? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to improve your energy levels? Do you want to get off medication? Whatever it is, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you have any questions about the Natural Healing Remedies Bootcamp, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Also, if you know anybody who might benefit from this training, please share this video with them. Share it on social media, text them, email them. Whatever you can do to get the word out about this amazing training, please do it. And lastly, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. In addition, if you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button below. That really helps my channel and helps me get the message out to more people. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you more than you know, and I'll see you soon.